Here's what you need to know in brief about Mario Draghi, President of the European Central Bank. Born in Rome in 1947, Draghi studied economics and earned his PhD at MIT. Draghi joined the World Bank in 1984. Just 7 years later, he left to become Director General of Italy's Treasury. In 2002, he joined Goldman Sachs only to leave 4 years later to become Governor of the Bank of Italy. In that position, he was also on the European Central Bank's Governing and General Council. In 2011, he succeeded Jean-Claude Trichet as the head of the European Central Bank. A year later, he delivered his whatever-it-takes speech, often seen as the turning point in the euro crisis. And that's everything you need to know in brief about ECB President Mario Draghi.